In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in Gmail. This handy little trick can really enhance your email formatting, whether you're trying to emphasize something in a creative way or simply highlight parts of your message that are no longer relevant. We'll be exploring two methods, one using the built-in formatting options in Gmail and another using keyboard shortcuts where applicable. Let's get started. Firstly, you want to go ahead and open up Gmail and click on Compose to start a new email draft. Once you have your blank email window open, this is where you'll be typing your new message. As you start typing in the message body, think about which parts of your text you'd like to add a strike-through effect to. This could be anything like a task you've completed or a change in information. Now that you have your text ready, we'll need to highlight the specific words or sentences you want to strike through. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text you've chosen. Once you've got the text selected, move your eyes to the bottom of the Compose window and you'll see a little icon, a capital A, which stands for Formatting Options. Click on it. This brings up a bar of various text features such as bold, italics and underline, all the basic editing tools you'd expect. But what we're interested in is a bit hidden. You'll want to locate the small downward arrow on the right hand side of this toolbar. Give it a click and you'll find a menu dropping down with additional formatting choices, including strike through. It's depicted with an S that has a horizontal line right through it. Go ahead and click on that. At this point you should see your selected text sporting a line through it, letting you know the strike through has been successfully applied. It's as easy as that. However, there may be times when you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, and I have just the thing for you. This second method will work on some browsers and might be quicker if you're into using keyboard shortcuts. If you're on a Windows system, you can achieve the same strike-through effect by highlighting your text as you did earlier and then pressing Alt, Shift and 5 simultaneously. For those on a Mac, you can do this by pressing Command, Shift and X together. This shortcut is quite nifty as it toggles the strike-through on and off for your highlighted text when composing your email in Gmail. And there you have it, two straightforward ways to add a strike-through to your text in Gmail, enhancing the way you communicate in writing. With these tips under your belt, your emails can be as organized and stylish as you want them to be. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.